Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. I am so unbelievably excited to film this video. I just wanted to let you guys know. I was like jumping up and down because my Fitbit had finally charged, and then I killed my parrot. No, I don't have a real parrot. I have like these ceramic parrots, and I knocked one of them off of a shelf with my like massive jumping, like smashed it off the shelf and it snapped in half. So can we just take a moment of silence for my green ceramic parrot? Alright, moving on. Today's video is going to be all about the Fitbit Versa, which is Fitbit's newest fitness tracker. I haven't put it on yet. You guys can maybe slightly see my Fitbit tan because I am a long-time Fitbit fan. This is my Fitbit Ionic, which is officially retired. I just need to keep him for a little bit longer for my review for comparisons and stuff, but he will be going to a new loving home. But today I just got back from the Fitbit Versa launch. I put my Versa on charge, I got it ready, and it's ready, it's paired, everything is good to go. We are going to be doing an unboxing, a try on, and a gym test for the new Fitbit Versa. This is not going to be a review, this is going to be my first impressions. I just got it out of the box, I just charged it, it hasn't touched my wrist yet. And yeah, I am going to do a full review in a couple of weeks. If you guys are watching this video, you know, in a couple months time or whatever, check the down bar because I will put the full review down there if you guys want to see my full complete opinions on the new Fitbit. Really quickly, I do just want to get it out of the way. This retails at $349 New Zealand dollars and I think it's 300 American. Before we go any further, I do just want to chuck in the unboxing here. It's just really quick, to the point. It's just me opening the box and showing you what's in it. So let's go. It's time to unbox the Versa. So this is what the box itself looks like. It's very sleek. I'm not sure if I've already mentioned, but this did come open because the staff have already set it up, or so they told me. So there's no seal, but there normally would be a seal like sealing this shut. So once you open it, you've got like a super duper sleek box, as you guys can see, with a little Fitbit logo. So when you open it, it just looks like this. Oh, I am so in love. So up the top you've got the tracker. Normally it would have a screen protector, like a little protective film covering the front. Like I said, mine's already been opened and charged. And this part down here opens up and you have your charging cable, which I will show you guys in one moment. And then you've got your large band, which I have the peach, obviously. I will put the proper name of my colorway in the down bar. We don't care about that stuff. Let's look at the actual watch. This is it here. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Normally it wouldn't come turned on. You would have it would pop up saying Fitbit hello in like a million different languages. Then you would charge it and connect it to your phone. Mine is charged, as you can see if I swipe up. It is slightly charged, but I probably still will have to charge it. But yeah, you can see it's super sleek. I'm just really quickly going to compare it to my Ionic. I will do a full comparison in a full video, but you can see it is so much smaller. But yeah, this is mine and yours very first look at my Versa. So I'm going to go ahead, finish charging this bad boy up, and then we are going to take it to the gym. Sorry guys, I just realized after I pressed stop that I didn't actually show you the charger. So this is what it looks like. If I can squeeze it out. Basically is just like a little dock that you sit your watch in, which is not the most ideal way to charge, but Fitbit always like to bring out a new charger every single time, like I'm not even kidding. But that's what this one looks like. It just has a little clip. It's the most satisfying part about getting new tech. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but there's just like a little clip that's built into the charger. So you open it and clip it just down onto your device. So this is the Versa. It has a big tick on the screen because it just connected. I have the rose gold and the peach. And oh my god. First things first though, I am going to put it on. I obviously wear a small. I have a very, very, very small wrist. I measured it once and it's like something like 16 centimeters or 18 centimeters. So I wear it on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th notch. Could probably even do another one, but for now we'll just stick with this. Alright, right off the bat I can immediately tell you this is the lightest Fitbit I have ever worn. It's not even there. It doesn't even feel like it's there. And it is so, oh my god. Okay, so I recently did a full review on the Ionic. I will leave it linked off down below. And one of my cons was that it could look bulky on a wrist. And as I was editing the video, I was like, damn, that actually does look quite bulky on my wrist. But this one completely gets rid of that bulkiness, obviously. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys right now, I'm pretty much breaking my back to get this angle. Hopefully you can see how small it looks. It's really nice and thin. The Versa versus the Ionic. Seriously, it's like so much thinner from the side profile, smaller every way. Oh, I love it. I'm already in love. I'm like so full of energy. You guys would have thought that I'd had like pre-workout or caffeine. No, this is just my Fitbit excitement. I get so pumped when new Fitbits come out. But anyway, first impressions on how it fits. Fits really, really nicely. I was originally a little bit concerned because I used to have the Lavender Charge 2. And that one, the band was like a similar like pastel tone and it got really dirty. But the lady addressed it like straight away, saying that they've got like new bands, new technology, new fabric, not fabric, new materials. So they're going to be stain proof. But the peach is just to die for. Oh my god. I don't really need to learn how to use this device because I already had an Ionic. And the Ionic is the same operating system. So I don't have to like, you know, familiarize myself with that. I just want to test how the optical heart rate sensor works, if it's any different to the Ionic. I just want to put it to the test at the gym. I want to show you guys how I use a Fitbit at the gym. I don't know how my gym feels about people filming, so I might get told to stop, but we shall see. I've never tested it before. So this one is our final watch face. It's called Layers. It has your heart rate, and then as you tap, it has your steps and then your calories burned. And then of course, if you wanted to know all of your stats, you just swipe up and that's all there. You can change what shows up, but yeah, that's basically it. I wanted to add this part in whether I can film or not because I wanted to be able to show you guys like how well the heart rate works or doesn't work, because I hear a lot of people say that like these sorts of trackers aren't that great at picking up peaks in heart rate sensing. Like if you're doing HIIT or weights, like it's not always perfect, but I wanted to just test it out because I like to do that with all of the new Fitbits. You guys, I'm seriously covered in goosebumps right now. I'm freezing, and I know you're like, why are you wearing a singlet then? Because I'm about to go to the gym and I don't know where my hoodie is. Alright, we are going to go. I'll see you guys at the gym. So the gym test was an absolute fail because my gym was so unbelievably busy that I could not film, and when I walked in holding my camera, the staff kind of gave me this look and I was like, I'm sorry, I won't do it. But it was more the fact that it was like too busy, so I didn't get any footage of me working out, which probably was a good thing anyway because all I ended up doing was HIIT because I figured that would be the best way to test heart rate. So I did a couple of like hard out jogging on the spots followed by a rest, and I found that it took about 5 seconds to catch up to my like elevated heart rate, which I don't have an infographic of because I deleted the workout because I only did it for 5 minutes. Like I didn't save the actual workout itself. And then I don't know whether it's considered HIIT. I hear people call it HIIT, but it's not like that hard that I'd call it HIIT. But anyway, I did about 15 minutes of a high incline walk at a decent speed. My heart rate was around like 155, and it kept like tracking that really well. Anything solid state, a Fitbit is going to do really well because it's staying the same, like it's not jumping high, jumping low, whereas any sort of wrist-based tracker is not going to be super accurate because it takes a while for like it to track it at your wrist as opposed to like on your heart with like a chest strap. All I can say is that it worked really well. It was intuitive, it was easy peasy to use. Like every other Fitbit, I found that the heart rate was just as accurate, if not more accurate, than any other Fitbit that I've tried, and I really liked working out with it, and plus it's freaking cute. I just wanted to say a really big thank you to everybody for clicking on this video and watching it to the end. Thank you so much. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have a Versa or if you're looking for a Versa, I'd totally love to know, so let me know about it down below. It launches next week, which I don't think for some reason, I haven't said that this whole entire video, but it launches next week. I am going to be getting so much use out of this. I got unbelievable amounts of use out of my other Fitbits. This one's like even smaller and cuter and prettier, and so I'm sure it's going to get even more use. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye!